This is the continuation of how BarEl software solves mathematical problems. Please watch and listen attentively. The definition of a for this will show or define the polygons. There are different types of polygons. Let us see them. What is the name given to a four-sided polygon? Four-sided polygon. Name given to a four-sided polygon. It's a quadrilateral. A five-sided polygon. It's a pentagon. A six-sided polygon. It's a hexagon. Seven-sided polygon. It's a heptagon. Eight-sided polygon. It's an octagon. A nine-sided polygon. It's a nonagon. Sided polygon. It's a decagon. Let us find the sum of interior angles of any sided polygon. A five-sided polygon is 540, and you see the angle of a regular polygon of each of those 108. What about the four-sided polygon is 360, and the angle is 90 degrees. A 10-sided polygon is 1140, and the angle only for each of them, an angle for 10 for regular sided polygon with 10 sides. A decagon is 144. This is how to calculate the sum as well the angles of such polygons. If one of angles of a of alternate angles is 10. And the other is 20. Then it's not alternate. But if it's 10, the other angle is 10, then it's an alternate angle. If we know angle of a corresponding angles is 40, and the other one is 2, then they are not corresponding angles. But if it's a 40, you see it's telling us it's corresponding angle. If one angle of vertical opposite angles is 15, and the other is 0, then they are not vertically opposite angles. But if the other one is 15, 15 again, then they are vertically opposite angles. If a base of a triangle, if a base and the head of a triangle are just the same as the bases and the heights of a quadrilateral, then the area of a triangle is half of that quadrilateral. Or if the bases of the base or height of a triangle are equal to the base and the height of a quadrilateral, then the area of a quadrilateral is twice that of a triangle. Let us say if the base is 10 and the height is 25. If the base is 10 and the height again is 25, and if the area of a quadrilateral is 80, then the area of a triangle is 40. If the area of a triangle is 60 and the area of a quadrilateral is 120, if they are not equal, then it will not give an answer. A line from a center of a circle and bisects a chord is perpendicular. A line from center of a circle and bisects a chord then is perpendicular to C. Let us say the chord is 40 and it bisects the chord. If the answer is again 20, then it's perpendicular line. But if it's 10, then it's not perpendicular because it has not bisected the chord. You see, the chord, the half of 40 is 20, not 10. But if it's 20, then it's perpendicular line. A perpendicular from the center of the circle to a chord bisects it. A perpendicular from the center of the circle to a chord bisects it. Let us say. If this is 90 and the chord is 60, then it's going to bisect the chord, and the answer is that. But if it's 8, let us see if it's 70, do not bisect. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center of a circle. If this is 20 and the other one is also 20, if they are equal chords, we chord a distance from the center of a circle is 12. Therefore, this one should also be 12 because their lengths are the same. But if they are different, you see it will not give you an answer unless their chords are the same. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center of the circle. Equals of a circle subtend equal angles at center. Chords of a circle equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at a center. If this is 45 and the other chord is 45, and one angle is 30, and the other angle is 30. But let us say if they are not equal, then it will not give you an answer unless the length of a chord are equal. Angles at the center of a circle. For this angle is 30. Then the angle at the circumference is 50. Angles between cos and tangent equal to angles in alternate segment. If the angle between chord and tangent is equal to 10, is equal to 24, then the angle in the alternate segment is also 24. Opposite angles of a cyclic quad. If one of the opposite angles of cyclic quad is 50, and the other is 130, because they add up to 180 degrees. Angles in same segment. If angle A in same segment is equal to 40, then the other angle is also 40. Thank you very much for watching and listening.